In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request to download your Canva uploads and designs. If you've been using Canva for a while, you probably have a lot of images, graphics, and finished projects stored in your account. There may come a time when you want a copy of all of that content, whether for backup, switching tools, or keeping your own archive. Canva has a built-in option that lets you request a download of your data, including your uploads and designs, and that's exactly what we'll walk through together. First, open Canva in your browser and make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you have more than one. On the main Canva dashboard, look toward the lower left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be a photo, your initials, or a default avatar. Click on that profile icon to open your account menu. Once the menu appears, look for the option labeled Settings. This is where Canva keeps all of your account and security controls. Go ahead and click on Settings. A new page will open, usually with a sidebar on the left and different tabs or sections across the top. In the settings area, you'll see several categories. Find and select the one called Login or Login and Security. This section is focused on your account access and personal data. Click on that to open the Login and Security settings page. On this page, scroll until you see an option that says Request to Download or something very similar. This is the feature that lets you ask Canva for a copy of your account data, which typically includes your uploads and designs. Click on Request to Download. After you click, Canva may ask you to confirm the request or verify your identity, often for security reasons. Follow the on-screen instructions. In many cases, Canva will prepare your data in the background and send you an email with a link to download everything once it's ready. This process can take some time, especially if you have a lot of designs and files, so don't worry if it's not instant. When you receive the email from Canva, open it and follow the download link to save your data to your computer or external drive. Make sure you store it somewhere safe and organized so you can easily find it later. And that's the whole process for requesting to download your Canva uploads and designs.